All right, so if I say solve for x again, and this time I'm given x squared plus x minus 6. Hey, wasn't this in that last problem? So let's just guess and check this bad boy. I'm going to put x squared here and negative 6 here. Now remember, there's two things. This is 1. So whatever I put in here and put it in here, that has to add up to negative, or I'm not, sorry, not negative, positive 1, right? Well, I'll do the first one. X times x gives me x squared. What two numbers can I multiply that give me negative 6, that when I add them up, it turns to a positive 1? Well, what are the factors of 6? 1 times 6 or 3 times 2. Keep in mind, one of these has to be negative, while the other one has to be positive. That's the only way I can get negative 6. So what do I choose? 2 and 3. Which one's positive? 3. Good. So I got a positive 3x, and over here I put, whoops. Dang it, I don't like the way that looks. I got a negative 2x here. And when I add them up, guess what they equal? 1x. So then I factored this already. I've got x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 3 is equal to 0. Set this equal to 0, x minus 2 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0. That gives me x equals 2 and x equals negative 3. I can double check this and make sure I have the right answer. I'm going to plug this into my calculator. What? Yeah. Say it isn't so, Mr. Adams. No, it's true. So I'm going to clear this out, and I'm going to put x squared plus x minus 6. And I'm going to graph that, and where should it cross at? 2 comma negative 3. Well, not 2 comma negative 3. At 2 and negative 3. So let's take a little screenshot of that. Is it almost time to go? Why are you guys closing your books from teaching right up till the last second? The bell hasn't rung yet. All right, let's put this in there. Man, you guys, when you close your books early like that, it kind of hurts my feelings. You're teaching my little heart out. You guys are like, I gotta get out of here. Anyways, it crosses right here at x equals negative 3 and x equals 2. Okay, that's it.